Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have some fantastic new stock today in the brand new Volkswagen Polo style 1.0 TSI 95PS in the sleek deep black pearl finish. This remarkable car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen, so if you'd like to come down, have a look at the car for yourself, maybe book yourself in for a test drive or get yourself a tailored finance quote, get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information on this vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment going through some features and functions. The car incorporates the 16-inch Palermo alloy wheels that give the car a much more stylish look in my opinion. The wing mirrors are the power folding wing mirrors, so they do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, ensuring we minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. The car also comes with the upgraded option extra of the rear privacy glass, offering privacy for your rear passengers. And talking about rear passengers, you have the ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, making this a brilliant family car with the USB-C inputs for fast charging for rear passengers' convenience. Now, the sleek black pearl finish on the car does offer a really stylish look to the car, and as we access the boot directly, here you'll see we gain access to a fairly spacious boot size, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, and if you do need additional storage space or height, we also have space underneath for a spare wheel as well. The car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen, so if you'd like to come down and have a look at the car for yourself, you're more than welcome to. And as we access the front of the car directly, here you'll see we do gain access to the multifunction steering wheel, offering access to your active info display, amongst a few other functionalities that we'll talk about a little bit later. The sleek interior consists of the titanium black and ceramic interior upholstery, which work hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience for you and your passengers to enjoy. So thanks for watching the 360 walk around of this brand new Volkswagen Polo style. It's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. If you'd like to stick around, we'll be going inside the car, taking a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Just making our way inside the vehicle, here you can see we have the multifunction steering wheel, and it is leather wrapped, so it offers a comfortable grip for a comfortable driving experience. And to the right hand side, we gain access to the automatic headlights, ensuring they're on at the correct times, alongside the central locking wing mirror and window controls on the driver's door handle that are all easy to access whilst on the move. Turning on the engine, the car springs into life as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to the dashboard display, showing key information whilst on the move, including telephone, audio, and even our navigation for an easier view. You can maneuver between the different displays as well, and you can also access functionalities like your adaptive cruise control to stay on a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence and safety throughout. Onto the infotainment screen, you gain access to a wide range of functions such as your navigation, and this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It really will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling, as you can go to new locations you wouldn't normally go to without this function, and displaying it on your cluster makes it much more easy to follow with an eye-line view. Going into App Connect, we gain access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our Mirror Link, allowing us to display our phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music, and even Google Maps navigation if you do prefer that method. Now going into our telephone, we can also make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth, and this also works in conjunction with the voice command functionality to add a layer of safety to your driving experience, as you don't need to take your hands off the steering wheel. So once again, thanks for watching. This has been the fantastic brand new Volkswagen Polo style, currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. If you'd like to come down and have a look at the car for yourself, maybe book yourself in for a test drive or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please don't hesitate to get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.